Anytime we get into it. Party yards are closing. In position. Right on the board. Right here. For you, right? Yes, goodbye. Here's your movement costume. What? We need a diversion. And frankly, you're the only one who can pull off that look. But I can do more, Skipper. I want to help the team. Really help the team. If you think I'm ready, return. Assuming you agree. And perhaps even if you don't. I like the Moxie soldier, but right now I need a tail on that tush and the cutest smile you've got. You trust me, soldier? Alright, Skipper. It's time. Target 10 yards from flashpoint. Private girl. You just mermaid my day. Flash and go. She's so cute. Shield up. Target is done. We can bring this black. Oh, what are you doing out here, cutie? Go on, not in your tank. Secure the moment and fight it. David the Octopus. Little Lake North Wind. Mission accomplished. I won. Go take power. Prisoner, the one that belongs to us. Into custody. What can melt in here? Life is sick. It's going in for the miles. Hello.